Hello student, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths by Shinde sir. Subscribe our channel for new updates and videos. Today I am going to start one example of combined equation of pair of lines. Therefore, find the combined equation of the following pair of lines. One example is x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Solution. Given equation of lines are x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation first, and x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation second. Combined equation first and second. Combined equation first and equation second. Therefore, x plus 2y minus 1 into x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. First equation is x plus 2y minus 1 and second is x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. We multiply x into x square, x into minus 3y minus 3 into xy, x into plus 2 into x is a plus 2x. Therefore, we multiply 2y into x plus 2y into x is a 2xy. 2y into minus 3y is a minus 6y square. 2y into 2 is a 4y equal to 0. X into x square, x into minus 3y is a minus 3xy, x into 2 is a 2x. And next is 2y into x, 2xy, 2y into minus 3y, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, y into y is a y square, 2y into 2 is a 4y minus 1 into x, minus 1 into x minus x, minus 1 into minus 3y minus plus 3y, and minus 1 into 2 is a minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 6y square, adding the coefficient of xy, minus 3xy plus 2xy is a minus xy, The similar term 2x minus x is a plus x, and minus plus 2x minus x is a plus x plus 4y, and this addition plus 3y, 4y plus 3y, this addition is a 7y, and constant term is minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus xy minus 6x square plus x plus 7y minus 2 equal to 0. This is the required combined equation of lines. This is the combined equation of equation of lines. We see the next example. Is x minus 2 equal to 0. Second example, find the combined equation of the following pair of lines. Second example is x minus 2 equal to 0 and y plus 2 equal to 0 and y plus 2 equal to 0. Given equation of lines are x minus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation first. Y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation second. Combined equation. Combined equation first and second. Combined equation first and second. Combined equation first and second. Therefore, x minus 2 into y plus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 into y plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, we multiply x into y, xy. X into 2 is 2x. We multiply x into y, xy. X into 2 is 2x and minus 2 into y, minus 2y, and minus 2 into 2 is a minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore xy plus 2x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the required equation of pair of straight line. This is the combined equation of pair of lines. Okay. Let's learn combined equation of pair of lines, and next bit is separate equation. Therefore, find the separate equation. Find the separate equation of the following pair of lines. One example is x square minus 4y square equal to 0. Solution. The given equation is x square minus 4y square equal to 0. Given equation is the x square minus 4y square equal to 0. Therefore, by using formula a square minus b square, this factor is a square minus b square, this factor is a minus b into a plus b. By using formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b, therefore we use x square is a x, the square root of 4 is a 2, x minus 2y into other is, this is the a minus b means x minus 2y, and other is a plus b, a means x and b means 2y, x plus 2y equal to 0. X minus 2y into x plus 2y equal to 0 required separate equation. Therefore, required separate equation of given line is x minus 2y equal to 0, x minus 2y equal to 0 or x plus 2y equal to 0. Therefore, first equation is x minus 2y equal to 0 and x plus 2y equal to 0. Okay. The next example is find the separate equation of the following pair of lines. Second example is 3x square minus 7xy. 3x square minus 7xy plus 4y square equal to 0. The given equation is 3x square minus 7xy plus 4y square equal to 0. Therefore, the multiplication of first term is 3. The coefficient of x square is 3 and coefficient of y square is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. The adjustment of middle term is a minus 7xy. Minus 7 means multiplication is a plus 12 and addition is a minus 7 means minus 3 into minus 4. This multiplication is a plus 12 and this addition is minus 3 minus 4 minus minus, this addition is a minus 7. Therefore, 3x square minus 7xy is a minus 3xy minus 4xy plus 4y square equal to 0. The 7xy means minus 3xy minus 4xy. This addition is a minus 7xy plus 4y square equal to 0. Therefore, 3x square minus 3xy, this is the one unit, and another unit is minus 4xy plus 4y square equal to 0. The similar term is 3x square minus 3xy. Similar term is x. 3x is a common. 3x is a common. The coefficient of 3 is a x. 3x is a common. This 3x and this 3x is a common. Remaining x as it is x minus y. And similar term is the second unit. Similar term is a y. Minus y is a common. Sorry, minus 4y is a common. Minus 4y is a common. This 4y and this 4y is a common. Remaining x minus this y square. Remaining y is a minus y equal to 0. Therefore, x minus y and x minus y, two brackets are same. X minus y and x minus y, two brackets are same. One bracket is a common. And other is 3x minus 4y equal to 0. Therefore, the required separate equation of lines is x minus y equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y equal to 0. Okay. We see the next example. Find the separate equation of the following pair of lines, and next example is 3y square plus 7xy equal to 0. Solution. Given equation is given equation of line is 3y square plus 7xy equal to 0. Therefore, 3y square means 3y into y plus 7x into y equal to 0. The similar term of y is a common. This y and this y is a common. Y is a common into, in bracket, 3y plus 7x equal to 0. Y is a common. 3y plus 7x equal to 0. Required separate equation. Equation equations are, first is y equal to 0 and other is 3y plus 7x equal to 0. Therefore, this example we write y equal to 0 and first is 7x plus 3y equal to 0. Okay. And next example is find the separate equation of the following pair of lines. And next example is x square minus 4xy. X square minus 4xy equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation of line is x square minus 4xy equal to 0. Therefore, x square means x into x minus 4 into x into y equal to 0. The similar term is, x is a similar term, x is a common in bracket x minus 4y equal to 0. Therefore, required separate equation of lines are, first equation is x equal to 0 and x minus 4 y equal to 0. There are two separate equations. First is x equal to 0 and second is x minus 4y equal to 0. It's okay. Fourth example is 3x square minus 10xy minus 8y square equal to 0. Solution. Given equation of lines 3x square minus 10xy minus 8y square equal to 0. The multiplication of first and third term is, the coefficient of x square is 3 and coefficient of y square is a minus 8. This multiplication is first term into third term is 3 into minus 8 is a minus 24. We adjust the middle term. minus 10xy. The addition is a minus 10, means minus 12. There are two numbers is a minus 12 plus 2. This addition is a minus 10. And this multiplication is minus 12 into 2 is a minus 24. Minus 12 into 2 minus 24. Therefore, we adjust 3x square minus 12xy plus 2xy minus 8y square equal to 0. The adjust of minus 10xy is a minus 12xy plus 2xy minus 8y square equal to 0. Therefore, the first unit is a 3x square minus 12xy and second is a 2xy minus 8y square equal to 0. Therefore, 3x and 3x is a common, 3x is a common. The remaining x in bracket, 3 4 the 12 means x minus 4y. 3x is a common, 3x into x, 3x square. 3x into minus 4y is a minus 12y. Therefore, 2xy minus 8y square, 2y is a common, plus 2y is a common, remaining x in bracket, 2y is a common, 2 4 the 8, x minus 4y equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 4y and x minus 4y, two brackets are same. One bracket is a common, x minus 4y is a common and other is 3x plus 2y equal to 0. Required separate equation. Required separate equation. Required separate equation of lines are: first is x minus 4y equal to 0. First is x minus 4y equal to 0 and second equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 0. Okay.